Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing a recipe that's a favorite of my daughter's. It is stuffed bell peppers with fresh ground meat and turkey meat. I seasoned it to perfection. I also used a tomato base called Sofrito. I usually make my own, but I didn't have any, but I like Goya's because of the flavor. I took block sharp cheddar cheese, shredded it, and added yellow rice, which you can add cauliflower or any type of tofu, or if you don't like rice. I mixed it all together, placed it in the oven, melted the cheese, and voila, there you have it. Enjoy.